Find a comfortable, quiet space where you can be undisturbed for the next few minutes. Sit or lie down in a position that feels natural to you. Close your eyes gently and take a long, deep breath. Feel the air filling your lungs, energizing your body. Slowly exhale, releasing all tension. Repeat this process a few times, letting your shoulders relax and your mind settle. This meditation will align your body and mind with the state of health and fitness you desire. By focusing on this ideal, you will awaken your body's natural ability to heal, strengthen, and thrive. As you breathe deeply, feel your body becoming heavier, sinking into the surface beneath you. With each inhale, imagine drawing in pure, healing energy. With each exhale, let go of stress, tension, and worries. Visualize a soft, warm light starting at the top of your head, slowly moving down through your neck, shoulders, chest, and arms. This light soothes every part of you, dissolving any discomfort. Let it continue down through your stomach, hips, legs, and feet, anchoring you deeply to the earth. Feel the connection to the ground beneath you, stabilizing and energizing you. Imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth, drawing up nourishment and strength. You are fully grounded, ready to transform your body and mind. In your mind, create a vivid picture of yourself in a state of optimal health and fitness. See your body strong, agile, and full of life. Picture yourself enjoying activities like running, lifting, dancing, or walking with ease. Feel the lightness in your step, the strength in your muscles, and the vitality radiating from your skin. Now imagine waking up in the morning, feeling refreshed and energized. See yourself standing tall, with a confident posture, moving effortlessly throughout your day. This version of you exists now, ready to be embraced. Bring your attention to the emotions that come with being healthy and fit. How does it feel to live in this ideal state? Perhaps it's joy, gratitude, pride, or peace. Allow those feelings to grow stronger with each breath, filling every cell of your body. Feel the energy of health coursing through you. Imagine each organ in your body functioning perfectly, every muscle working harmoniously, and every system aligned. As you feel these emotions, you are activating the power within you to align your physical reality with this vision. Begin to affirm your health and fitness to yourself. Speak these words in your mind or out loud, letting them resonate deeply. I am vibrant, healthy, and full of energy. Every day I grow stronger and more fit. I choose habits that nourish my body and mind. My body is capable, resilient, and powerful. I am grateful for my radiant health and vitality. These affirmations are not just words. They are truths that your mind and body accept. Feel their power shaping your reality, aligning every part of you with the health you desire. Now visualize yourself living as this healthy and fit person. See yourself choosing foods that nourish and energize you. Picture yourself drinking water, feeling refreshed and hydrated. Imagine yourself enjoying physical activities that strengthen your body, whether it's a morning run, yoga, or weightlifting. Think about the small, consistent habits that support your health and fitness. Visualize yourself preparing meals with care, going to bed early, and starting each day with intention. These habits come naturally to you because they are part of who you are. Shift your focus to gratitude. Think about everything your body already does for you. Your heart beats without you asking, your lungs breathe in life, and your muscles carry you through the day. Say thank you to your body for its resilience and strength. Now extend your gratitude to the health and fitness you are manifesting. Thank your future self for the commitment, discipline, and love they bring into your life. Gratitude amplifies your energy and attracts even more of what you desire. Take a deep breath in, holding the feeling of health, fitness, and energy within you. Slowly exhale, releasing any lingering doubt or resistance. Feel your entire being aligned with the vibrant health you have envisioned. Bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and stretch gently if it feels good. When you're ready, open your eyes. Know that this meditation has set powerful changes into motion. You are becoming the healthiest, fittest version of yourself, one step at a time. Carry this energy with you throughout your day, allowing it to guide your actions and choices. Trust the process and know that your ideal state of health is unfolding perfectly.